This is the quick all you need to know review about Chanel Le Correcteur de Chanel Longwear Concealer. I'm gonna list the pros and cons and swatch beige 10. I am addicted to having a flawless base, so I'm very particular with my concealers and foundations. This is the latest formula of Le Correcteur, which is a Longwear concealer. This is the number 10 beige. This is one of their lightest ones, and it's just a little lighter than my foundations in beige 20. The packaging is sleek and chic as always with Chanel. The applicator brush is a small smudger. The texture and the formula is amazing. I cannot stand a creasy concealer, so I need a texture that blends naturally into my skin. And I can honestly say I have not found another formula that is this blendable. It takes a little time though, you need to give it some love and warmth, but the results are worth the time and effort. I usually apply it with fingers or a damp beauty blender. I always set with setting spray on top of it. Let me show you how it blends and blurs the skin when you work with it. I cannot stress enough how worth it is to work with this concealer. The result is flawless and it stays on all day. Look at this skin looking finish. So who is this concealer for? I would say anyone that like a hydrating and creamy texture. If you like your makeup covering but still looking very natural and blended. I feel like my skin is flawless when I use this, and you can buy this with confidence for sure.